Well, medical experts nationally have been saying that this flu season has been a tough one. And locally, doctors are saying that they're seeing more patients visiting them because of flu-like symptoms. As Channel 2's Jeff Preval tells us, Catholic Health has seen a spike in flu cases.
The incidence of influenza around the region is actually pretty high.
Dr. Kevin Shiley, a physician director at Catholic Health, says there have been more confirmed cases of the flu that Catholic Health has seen this week compared to this time a year ago. 132 positive cases of the flu this past week compared to just 30 last year.
That's a pretty substantial increase.
And is such a concern, Catholic Health has temporarily restricted minors 14 years old and younger from visiting their facilities. Right now, New York State characterizes influenza as widespread. The same was the case at this time last year. But a year before that, it was less severe. And there are a lot of reasons it changes year to year.
Certainly in New York State, and particularly in this region, we do have an aging population, and the aging population does equal higher risk of complication and even acquisition of influenza.
And there are questions about the vaccine itself. According to the New England Journal of Medicine, this year's vaccine may only be 10% effective, despite the work of a lot of doctors to predict which viruses it should protect against.
That doesn't always work, and when there is a mismatch between the vaccines, we do tend to see obviously higher failure of the vaccine.
But according to Dr. Shiley, the effectiveness of the vaccine won't be known for a few months, and that this doesn't mean most adults shouldn't get the vaccine.
We do know that people that have been vaccinated for influenza, even if they get influenza, tend to have a much lower risk of complications from the disease.
Now, nationally, at this time last year, 12 states reported that the flu was widespread. Now, 46 states, including New York State, report that the flu as being widespread. Health experts say that infants younger than 6 months should not get the flu vaccine. Live in the studio tonight, I'm Jeff Preval, Channel 2 News.